Hi guys, so this first clip is of the apartment I just moved out of. Welcome back, and this is my intro. Outfit of the day is this little white crop top from Banana Republic Factory, and sorry about that, and these shorts are also Banana Republic Factory, medium shorts and medium top.
Your son is.
Everybody will be one. Outfit of the day. These banana kind of cream color jeans and this Hollister black t-shirt. Hi guys, thanks for watching. I'm in my walk-in closet. I'm just gonna end this sort of snippet of my life. Yeah, I'm just trying a new format, so hopefully this is somewhat enjoyable to watch, and I'll hopefully upload soon again.